Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're playing I Am Cat on mobile. I don't know why they have it. So yeah, let's just get into it. So let's just throw us at Grandma, cause why not? Hey, Grandma, catch! Headshot. Anyways, well, put her under here. Get over here, Grandma. Grandma, tweaking for real. Okay. Good night, Graham.
Run this year.
No. Hiya. Anyways, let's get into it. Hiya. Wait. Grandma? Grandma, you good? Hiya. Kinchana. Bing, 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 bing. Let's get a knife. Knife. Hey, yo, Grandma, you want to see my master cooking? Hiya! Imagine dying couldn't be me. Honestly. I'm gonna throw this at Grandma's door. No, Grandma, please! No, please! No! Hiya! So fun. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Let's get Cosmo. Hey, Cosmo, are you sleeping? You gotta do something for me. You gotta do something. Go to Grandma, attack! Oh, shit.
Run this year.
No. Well, that was our first death. Anyways, let's just wait. Wait. Okay, we're back. Let's go. Anyways, imagine if I die right away. Just imagine. No, Grandma. No. I predicted the future. Oh my God. Y'all subscribe, by the way. Anyways, let's get back to torturing Grandma. For no reason at all. So let's get this bottle, this glass bottle. Let's go throw it at Grandma. Guys, watch this trick shot. Oh! I'm dude perfect. Let's go. Let's throw this vase, whatever you call it, at Graham. Yo, Sugar Graham.
Run this year.
Oh! You missed. Get aimbot.
Run this year.
Lol. I'm gonna go up the stairs first.
Run this year.
Oh, you wanna go, Grandma? Oh! You suck. Give me that. Grandma, catch. You suck. Anyways, let's just wait until she gets. All right, T-Gram, Sugar Gram, Bigger Gram. Take this. R.I.P. Grandma. I'm a dragon. Just take you upstairs for no reason, because you can't climb. Go up them because you're so old. You were literally born in the Ice Age. Okay, I went way too far. Okay, you're staying up there. Bye, Grandma. Wait, just to make sure if she disappears. Wait, where did she? Okay, anyways, where did she go? Grandma? Let me just, let me climb. Bro, let me climb it. Anyway, yay! Ah! Oh yeah, I forgot, cats don't take full damage from high places. Only super stupid hot. Anyway, let's get Grandma's teeth. Teeth just for me? Oh, Grandma. She didn't fall. Hi, Grandma. Grandma, can I play with your boxes? That's fine with me, because I am. Oh, Grandma. Grandma, take it. Oh, damn. I didn't hit her. That's super duper sad. Oh, come on, you have to fall asleep. Come on. Okay, just wait. I'm gonna wait until she wakes up. How do I jump that high? That's so weird. Let's go get Gramsters. Let's get Grimmer. Let's get my Grammer. Hey, Grandma. You want a book to read? Headshot once again. I'm gonna get your foot again so I can take you somewhere. I'm gonna take you and throw you up there. Why is she lying down on the shelf?
Run this year.
Let's go get another knife. Maybe vase instead. That's better. That's better and wetter. Grandma. No. There. R.I.P. Graham. Oh. Grandma? 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 No, Grandma. Grandma, no. No ads. No advertisement. Anyways, it's just, hang on. Hey, Grandma. Vegan. Ooh, what's this lever do for the fridge? Oh. Hey, it didn't do anything. Anyways. Grandma! Die. Die, Grandma. Eat my food. Take my food. Take my food bowl instead. Grandma! Blink? I just realized whenever I look away, she gets back up. Anyways, let's feed her some poopy. Beep beep boop boop. Ooh. Beep 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 beep. Ooh. Beep 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 boop. Ooh. Grandma. Die, Grandma, die. I bake you a pie. Oh boy, what flavor? Pie. Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. Why did you make me this way? Bye. I'm gonna do an internet. What? Grandma, get full box. Booger box. Booger box. Imagine. Wah, wah, wah. 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 That's a yacht, Grandma. Yacht. Okay, bye. See you later, Graham. Ooh-wee. I'm a parkour pro. They don't know that. They don't know I'm a parkour pro. And it's been 8 minutes. Now 9. Grandma. Hi, Granny. Grammar. Alright, that's all for today. I'll do a part 2. So see y'all later.